What's up, guys? Marc Megna here. I want to show you my new Redwood Outdoor extra wide cedar barrel sauna. I'm really excited about it. I want to show you why it's so special, why I'm enjoying it so much. So follow me. I'm super psyched about my Redwood Outdoors extra wide cedar barrel sauna. There's more to this beauty than meets the eye. So let's dive in and explore why this sauna is an absolute game changer. First off, this isn't just any sauna. It's an exclusive Redwood Outdoors sauna. What makes it stand out? It has an expanded diameter to generous 7 feet, creating an interior that feels incredibly spacious with ample headroom. If you've ever worried about fitting into a standard sauna, this one's got you covered. Now let's talk health and wellness. This sauna just isn't about relaxation. It's a wellness powerhouse. It's been scientifically proven to reduce stress, boost detoxification, improve circulation, and enhance your overall well-being. Trust me, it's like having your own personal oasis of health. Look at this spacious interior. It's roomy enough to comfortably accommodate multiple users, making it the perfect spot for some quality time with friends and family. I spent a few hours out here and I'm excited about the future. Now let's talk about heat. The sauna knows how to crank it up. With easy temperature adjustments, you're in control of how hot you want to make it. It's as simple as it gets, and you'll love how quickly it heats up. It's your ticket to a genuine Scandinavian sauna experience. Here's a unique feature: 2-level seating. In Finland, they say that true sauna experience, your feet should be above the heater. Redwood Outdoors made it possible. Sit at the top bench and immerse your whole body in the hottest part of the sauna. Then when you need a breather, move to the lower benches to cool down. It's like cycling between sauna heaven and sauna paradise without fiddling with the heater. This sauna pays homage to the classic Scandinavian design. Structured with tongue and grooved lumber staves, tightly secured by stainless steel bands, it's not just beautiful, but also incredibly energy efficient. The design allows the wood to expand and contract naturally, ensuring a tight seal. It's the perfect blend of form and function. Quality matters, and that's why we use 100% Canadian red cedar. It's renowned for its resilience against the elements, making the ideal choice for outdoor longevity. With proper care, your cedar sauna can last 15 to 20 years, a true investment in relaxation. And when it comes to comfort, Redwood Outdoors has got you covered. The sauna kit includes a backrest for maximum comfort, wooden benches provide a cozy spot for you and your loved ones, all while enjoying the soft lighting and the soothing scent of red cedar. It's the authentic Scandinavian sauna experience right in your home. Now when it comes to heating, you've got choices. The manual control heaters offers simplicity with a temperature dial and timer. Set it up to 8 hours in advance and your sauna will be ready when you are. Worried about assembly? Don't be. Redwood Outdoor Sauna designed their saunas with DIY enthusiasts in mind. No sawing or cutting required. Everything comes pre-cut and grooved. With basic tools and some novice woodworking skills, you can have it up in about 4 hours. It's that easy. It's important to note that you will need a certified electrician to do the electrical work. It does not come with electric. And guess what? They ship these saunas across the US, so no matter where you are, you can enjoy the benefits of heat and steam delivered right to your doorstep. In conclusion, the Redwood Outdoors Extra Wide Cedar Barrel Sauna isn't just a sauna. It's an investment in your well-being, comfort, and relaxation. If you're ready to elevate your outdoor experience and bring the beauty of nature into your daily routine, this sauna should be at the top of your wish list. Ready to transform your life with the Redwood Outdoors Extra Wide Cedar Barrel Sauna? Head over to Redwood Outdoors official website for more details or to make your purchase. If you've got questions or want to share your own sauna experiences, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Here's to a healthier, happier you.